Hey YouTube, welcome to my 198th video. Today I'm going to show you how to play L-O-V-E fingerstyle version in the key of C. Alright guys, let's jump in. Hey guys, if you like this, go ahead and grab the tab sheet at patreon.com. There you get access to this tab as well as a whole host of other tabs, including other love songs, so you can woo your Valentine. If you have any questions about any part of this song, hit me up on scaleabout.com. The link is below in the description. There, I can work with you one-on-one to help you improve your ukulele skills. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, ukulele fingerstyle, and we will see you next time.